We also have a very special guest this evening, another gentleman, Dr. S.R. Tendulkar. And he's in the league of super professionals with an experience of more than 25 years in finance, gifted with a fantastic sense of humor, great memory. That is something that I envy in anybody. Believe me, I'm so bad. Sometimes I don't go back home in the evenings and my wife has to call me and tell me, where are you? So that happens with me. Blessed with a wonderful family, his wife, children, grandchildren. We are happy to welcome Professor Dr. S.R. Tendulkar. He's a Dean, Administration, Controller of Examination, sir, please come up, of V School. Having many first ranks in his life, a chartered accountant, company secretary. He's also an accredited internal auditor with for 19 years, imagine, and 35 years of teaching experience. That's like some of us were not even born then, you know. And besides being a management trainer, he has held honorable positions in institutions like All India Management Association, the Bombay Management Association, the Indian Institute of Material Management, and absolutely amazing fluency in languages, English, Gujarati, Marathi, and his repartee is beyond compare, I'm told. So we would like to call Ms. Bhavna Chedda, our member from the Nina Foundation. Can you please come up to, honor him? Would you like to say a few words, sir?
Sure. Well, you are taking a very grave risk, requesting a professor, and that too absent-minded professor, handing over a mic. Because professor means one. Once open soap box, it goes on to infinity. With or without audience also. With or without audience also. Well, I am really indeed grateful to be here in this August gathering. As far as Ketna is concerned, I know her since last 24 years, since 1990, through a common platform of Bombay Management Association. And she has been one of my supporters who led me to the August position of President BMA in the year 94-95. Oh, here I see another of my successor president here, Ernest Fernandez. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Ernest. Now, when I was looking at the leaflet of this function, and I was started counting doctors there, in this particular group of doctors, I'm afraid I may not be worthy of calling even a compounder, because my doctorate degree is in PhD, and has nothing to do with medicine whatsoever. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks once again. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.